Hello, my name is Wyatt Sowers, and I'm with the Oral History and the Liberal Arts Initiative, and I am here today to show you how to synchronize your transcripts in the Oral History Metadata Synchronizer. So to do this, you need to have already linked your interview media, whether it's an audio file or a video file, with your OHMS project in the metadata field, and you need to have uploaded and formatted your transcript to OHMS right here. And if you don't know how to do that, you can click a link below in the description that will take you to a blog post that we made teaching you how to do that. And if you've done those things, then you're ready to begin syncing. And to start your sync, you'll just, choose whichever project you're working on. You'll click the sync button, and it will take you to this page here, which is the Oral History Metadata Synchronizer, Transcript Synchronizer. And this is what you'll use to synchronize your transcript. So what OHMS will have you do is create a timestamp marker every 1 minute on the minute mark of your transcript. And this timestamp will, if clicked on when you're completed, it will link to that part in your actual interview. So what this allows people to do is read through the transcript, and then if they find something of interest, they can click on the nearest timestamp marker and actually listen to the audio of your interview. So to do this, you'll have to manually do this, and it will be done through clicking the play button. And when you click the play button, it will immediately begin. And what happens is OHMS will transport you to 10 seconds before a minute marker. So it'll transport you to 50 seconds for the 1 minute marker, or 1 minute and 50 seconds for the 2 minute marker. And you'll have to start reading through the transcript to find where your interview is at. So what you'll have to do is on the minute mark, you'll have to click on whatever word in the transcript is closest to the minute mark. And you can do this two ways. You can either keep an eye on this time code over here and click every minute on the minute mark, or you can listen to an audio cue that OHMS provides. So it'll have a lower pitched ringing noise when it transports you 10 seconds before the minute mark, and then it will have a higher pitched ringing noise on the minute mark. And when that higher pitched noise plays, that's when you're supposed to click on the word. So this might sound like a little confusing. So I'm just going to play this and hit skip forward to bring you to the 50-second mark, and I'll show you how it's done. So we hit play. So it begins playing the interview, and you can see this right here. It just rang, but we don't need to synchronize at 10 seconds. So we hit skip forward, and it will bring us to 50 seconds.
I thought a pretty lovely childhood, fun childhood.
Okay, so here we are in the transcript.
Raised in a home with 7 children. There's never a dull moment. As when we became teenagers,
so
we used to
we click we because that's what was closest.
Friendship Baptist Church. It's on the north side in Kalamazoo. And do well in school and
here we go.
Go to college. Do not get
college is the closest word.
It was fun growing up in a
skips us ahead another minute.
Once my mother passed away,
here we go.
1994.
We click that.
Both of them.
Brings us another minute
my
forward.
My dad died in 1984. He was a young man. He was only 65.
Oh, here we go.
But he was a very heavy smoker. So, and he had cancer of the esophagus. So,
and there.
He's so hesitant.
And so it'll transport you 1 minute ahead every time you click on something, on a word. And that's basically it. That's basically all you have to do. You just have to do it for the entire interview, which can take a while if you're not able to find the words quickly enough. And a way that you can work around this, if you're having a lot of trouble, you can hit Command F, and it will allow you to type in words, and it will highlight those words in your transcript. So I'm going to show you how to do that really quickly. Okay, so what we're going to do now is hit Command F to bring up the find function, and we will hit play to begin, and we will listen to what she is saying, and we will type in what she's saying in this box, and it will highlight in the transcript those words that we've typed in up here. So just going to hit play and go for it.
I am a caregiver, but not into that, you know, I just can't,
Okay.
not to that limit. I'm
There
not
we
one
go.
to go in and clean up after people and do
So we
this and
found
that
it.
and the other. But my mom was in the first seat.
Brings up to the
The
next
second
one.
seat would be myself and my two younger brothers, and we fight all
There
the
we
way
go.
down south. It was a long drive, a good 17, 18-hour drive. And then in the back, a sister.
Okay, so you see how that works? You sort of just start typing in what she's saying, and it will bring you to that spot in the transcript. And that is an easy way to go about this process if you're having trouble just finding the words through reading the transcript. And that's pretty much all you have to do. Again, you just do that for the entire transcript, which can take a little while. And you just need to make sure that you hit save up here at the top. And that will save all the progress that you made. And if you don't hit save, everything you've done will be for nothing because it won't save it. So always save. Yeah. And that's about all I've got. Thanks for watching, and I hope this was helpful.